Fucking with the track. And action.
What's up, guys? We've been doing some work. Dude, it's a little bit of a late start to the vlog. We have been working our butts off here editing. What?
You want some Mentos? I got some Mentos for everyone.
He's selling us
Comment
Mentos.
down below if you comment and come to the lights on Friday. I'll bring Mentos and they won't be laced with drugs. I promise.
He's got drug-free Mentos. Okay, we need to get out of the house. We've been doing a bunch of work here, and we're gonna go to explore Hollywood Boulevard a little bit because we're new here and we want to check that stuff out, boy. Here we go. Unleash. Unstrap her.
Go potty.
No, go pee pee.
Go potty.
Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm.
So like I was saying, we're going to Hollywood Boulevard to check it out at nighttime. I think Kevin's pulled up right now. We got an Uber coming. And let's get into the car and do this. Yee. Oy, 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 oy. Oh yeah. Okay. This guy's making some weird noises.
This man's throwing it on the ground.
Huh? Wolverine. That whole thing was out of focus. Great.
You hold this. Don't even do that.
Got you 10 feet off the ground.
What is the most asked question you get as an Uber driver?
It's a pretty common question, actually. What's the craziest thing ever happened to you? That's that. Like, you get a lot of drunks. That's kind of the second one.
Yeah.
Which is true. I get a lot of drunks.
Do you get a lot of drunks asking if you get a lot of drunks?
Yeah, I do. I get a little both. Hey, bro, who's your worst rider ever? I go, you're coming up number one with a bullet right now. Like, really good.
I've had Philippe's.
Philippe's is the best. So it's good. They're different sandwiches though.
Yeah.
They have beef tips there, they have pastrami, and it's really classic New York style.
Have a good one.
Good.
Hi, dog.